Hello everyone, it's Felipe here. Right in front of us is the Lego Fantasy Adventure, right? So it was a promotional item throughout October depending on your region, and we have this lovely packaging over here. And today we're going to open it up, build it, and do a detailed review on this particular set. Here we are, let's just cut open the tape first, and let's see what's inside. So you open up the box like this, so we've got really cool packaging. Well, this is brilliant. You've got the instruction booklet and the explanation, and then the parts here. This is really nice packaging. This is pretty surprising for a promotional material. You got like even card like this to create your own story, and you can even share the fun because it comes with two separate instructions for the base and also the right, which is quite rare for a promotional item. First, we're going to build the base. And we have completed the fantasy adventure, right? So it just comes with some extra pieces, so you can change the hairstyle of the kid over there, extra eyepieces to create different expressions of the unicorn, and the fact that it works really well when you start moving it is a plus. And it's a nice surprise the Lego logo is actually printed but not sticker, and of course you've got this area to insert the coins. The fact that you can also remove the right and replace your own creation is brilliant. And here how it looks from a different angle. While it's very similar to a previous Lego Ideas gift with purchase, but it's actually quite different build, and I think the mechanism itself, the new one works a little bit better. I really like this set. I think it's a good promotion item, and there are actually 3 other versions of this ride, which 2 of them you can get from the lego.com VIP rewards. Unfortunately, I was only able to get this one. And I would not hesitate to recommend this set to everyone because this is indeed a very cool set. Do let me know what you think about this set in the comment section below, and if you like this video, be sure to check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming updates, and I'll see you next time.